Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blossom leggings. We'll go through the entire process, from gathering your initial materials to combining them effectively. This guide will help you understand each crucial step, ensuring you can craft these special leggings with ease. You'll learn about the core ingredients and the precise method to assemble them, resulting in a fantastic new armor piece for your character. To begin crafting your blossom leggings, you'll first need to gather the essential materials. You'll require 8 delicate blossom petals, which form the primary component. Additionally, secure 2 strands of enchanted silk thread to enhance the leggings' resilience. Don't forget 1 precious mystic core, which imbues the leggings with their unique properties. Make sure you have a crafting table ready for assembly. Now, let's move on to the combination process within your crafting interface. Begin by placing the single mystic core directly into the central slot of your 3x3 crafting grid. Next, arrange 4 of your blossom petals in a diamond pattern, surrounding the central core. Then, position the remaining 4 blossom petals into each of the 4 corner slots. Finally, place 1 enchanted silk thread directly above the core and the other directly below it. Once all materials are correctly placed, your new blossom leggings will appear in the output slot of your crafting interface. Simply retrieve them to complete the process. These exceptional leggings offer significant advantages, including a 25% boost to your movement speed, allowing for quicker traversal. Furthermore, they provide 10 points of magical defense, enhancing your survivability against mystical threats. Enjoy your powerful and beautiful new armor piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.